Hey guys, Costco has so many amazing new arrivals for July, and I can't wait to show you what I found. There's tons of Halloween decor, a brand new Nespresso machine, new Korean skincare products, incredible deals happening right now, and so much more. If you love Costco finds, be sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and well, let's get right to it. Now, you guys know that Costco's always way ahead of the game. This time around, they released a bunch of Halloween decor, and guys, look at how cute these are. These are wood letters that light up. They have LED lights. They come as a set of 3, and they're going for $44.99 right now. They do have a timer in them, and the batteries are already included, but I'm so happy to have found these on display because I just love these. I can definitely see myself using these as like a centerpiece or even them placing them by the window. And of course, Costco also brought out these beautiful hooked accent rugs. Look at how cute these designs are. I absolutely love these. Let me show you guys here the price tag. They're going for $17.99 right now in the warehouse, but I will let you know they're also available online on Costco.com. These are 22 by 28 inches. They have memory foam backing, and let me show you guys here the different designs. There's so many different ones to choose from. I honestly never thought I'd see something like this at Costco, but this is genius. These are mini bins, and they come as a pack of 10, guys. These are by Green Made, the same company that makes those bins with the lids and the durable plastic. These are going for $9.49. Again, that's the price for a pack of 10. I was kind of wondering what one would use these for, but I do like that they give us some ideas here. You can use them for office supplies, for crafts, especially for beads, screws, small tools, and more. I also came across these new tabletop fans at Costco. These come as a pack of 2, and it seems like you get one white and one black fan. They have 4 different speeds. These are rechargeable, by the way, and run up to 20 hours on low. These are going for $44.99 right now. They also have auto shut off. Now, for all my coffee lovers, check out this new coffee machine at Costco. It's by Nespresso. It's the Virtual Up. It's going for $200, and keep in mind the capsules can also be purchased on Costco.com. It does come with the hot or cold milk frother, and it includes 32 capsules as well. So in this machine, you can do single or double espresso style shots. And then you can also do 6 different cup sizes. You can do iced coffee, cold brew style, latte, or cappuccinos. Are you in need of a new toaster? Costco brought back the Cuisinart 2-slice toaster. This one has a stainless steel design, and right now at Costco it's going for $39.99. I love that you can choose from the different browning levels to get your toast just the way you like it. It does have extra wide slots that are great for like thicker breads. You can put in here things like bagels too, and even waffles. Now, if you're someone that's tired of sitting on hard bleachers, guys, Costco has you covered with the Stadium Pro Seat. And this version has the pop-up armrest, which is a game changer. It's going for $34.99 right now. It has a 300-pound weight capacity. And the Stadium Seat Pro itself weighs 7.26 pounds. So you can definitely carry this around. This is perfect for sports games, concerts, and other outdoor events. Definitely worth checking out. Check this one out. It's by Disney. It's the Nightmare Before Christmas 22-inch clock tower at Costco, guys. It's going for $129.99 right now. Has volume control for music. It's a fully functioning clock, which of course is convenient. Has a timer, and it's 22 inches tall. So it really stands out as a display piece. You can put this on a shelf in the entryway or even living room. Perfect for Disney fans and collectors. Costco also has this beautiful Disney Halloween village that comes in a total of 12 pieces, guys. It comes with a bunch of little buildings and characters to build your own spooky village. Right now at Costco, it's going for $129.99. It definitely has that classic Disney Halloween vibe with really cute details. Imagine setting this up on a table, on a shelf, or even on your mantle for Halloween decor. This is perfect for spooky season, and since it's multiple pieces, you can arrange it however you want and make it your own setup. This is so interesting, and I'm loving this color. It's a shopping cooler. by the brand called Keep Cool. It's going for $12.99. It seems like Costco brought this one out in 2 different color options. So they have it in gray or dusty mauve. I'm definitely loving these. These are perfect for frozen foods, ice cream, or anything that needs to stay chilled. Once you're headed, home from grocery shopping. It's got an extra large capacity, very easy to clean. It seems like it's one of those simple items that makes Costco trips way easier. If you happen to be in the market for a new gaming chair, Costco has this one by DPS on sale right now, guys. And it has $50 off through July 13th. So typically it goes for $150. Right now the price comes down to $100 pretty much. Perfect for console gaming setups or casual lounge spaces. Seems like a really nice upgrade if you want something more comfortable than sitting on a couch or bed. I also came across new Korean skincare products. This is the Korean Overnight Hydrogel Mask, and you pretty much leave on this one overnight. So you can put it on before bed. It's supposed to be super hydrating, helps your skin feel fresh and plump in the morning. $69.99, and this one right here comes as a pack of 24, so you're getting a really good amount. I also spotted these green tea eye gel patches. They have green tea, niacinamide, and antioxidants in them. These are supposed to reduce fine lines. And not only can you place them like under the eye, but you can also place them in different areas of the face. They're multi-use patches. They're going for $27.99 right now. It's a great little skincare boost if you want to look more awake and fresh. Now this mascara right here is known for giving your lashes a lot of volume without feeling heavy. It's the CoverGirl Lash Blast Mascara, and it's on sale right now, guys. $4 off through July 12th. It went from $19 down to $14.99, and guys, that's the price for a 3-pack. So this product right here is definitely going into my cart today, even though I wasn't planning on buying anything at Costco, but I cannot pass this one up. It's a very good deal. The color is very black, and I definitely feel like Costco's giving us very good value here compared to buying it individually. Okay, I'm dying to try this one. It's Maven's Vietnamese coffee ice cream. It has condensed milk in there, and I love condensed milk, I must admit. $15.99 for a 2-pack. Let me know if anyone's tried this one. But all I've heard is that, I mean, guys, there's coffee in here, so just be careful when you're having it. Some people were saying that they'll have this ice cream for breakfast even. The serving size is 2/3 of a cup, 290 calories. This one right here has around 27 grams of sugar per serving. This one right here is super interesting. It's a 6-foot animated vampire butler with LED eyes. His eyes light up, guys, which makes him look super creepy at night. It's a full-size Halloween decoration, so it's really tall and attention-grabbing. It's going for $200 right now at Costco. Perfect for your front yard, porch, or entryway setup. He's animated, so he moves and adds extra spooky vibes. Definitely one of those wow factor pieces that stands out right away. This one right here is even taller, guys. It's an animated monster with LCD eyes, 7.5 feet tall. It's going for $180 right now. It's huge. So I feel like it really takes over your whole space when you set it up. It does talk and make scary sound effects too, so it's not just like a decoration. It actually almost feels alive. I thought Costco was super ahead of the game with the Halloween decor, but nope, they've brought out ribbon for Christmas time. 50 yards going for $8.79. It's wire edge ribbon. It's got no seams, and there's so many different colors and sizes to choose from. Now, if you have little furry friends, check out these adorable plush dog toys that are new at Costco. These come as a 3-pack. They're going for $15.39 right now, and these are lightweight, so I definitely feel they're perfect for small to medium-sized dogs who love plush toys. Each sloth has a fun, playful design, and once again, it's lightweight. They come with a squeaker, so dogs stay entertained. One of them also comes with a rope, and it's honestly one of those adorable Costco pet finds that dogs love.